Okay, this is the last video. This is a part 3. This is what we did. We put a performance carburetor on it with my son, and we put that brace there from the top of the engine to reduce the vibration and give a secure fit, which is we have the mounting bracket on the bottom and we have on the top. That's how it is. Everything works fine, and that is our build. The brakes, the pedals, give a little also reinforcement here for the grab bar to give a tighter fit. And the weather is beautiful, so that's what he's riding right now.